Porsche is adding two distinctly sporty and high-specification models to its mid-engine sports car range, the 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 and the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0. The new two-seaters are powered by a 294 kilowatts, 400 PS, 4-liter six-cylinder boxer engine, similar to that used in the 718 Spyder and the 718 Cayman GT4. When combined with the manual 6-speed transmission and sports exhaust system, this results in exceptional power delivery and a particularly rewarding driving experience. It achieves the sprint to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds on its way to a top speed of 293 km per hour thanks to standard Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, sports suspension, as well as a 20 mm lower ride height and Porsche Torque Vectoring, PTV, with mechanical limited slip rear differential. The new generation of GTS achieves a remarkable balancing act between dynamic handling and everyday comfort. The standard Sport Chrono package with upgraded Porsche Track Precision App also emphasizes the athletic character of the mid-engine sports cars. Black contrasting